tried Facebook ads for more than 5 years, and this is what happened. I went from putting thousands of hours, and yes, thousands, on created ads that didn't even get any spend, to creating ads that allowed the brands I work with to hit record numbers within just a few months. So today I'm gonna reveal how I create ads that convert like crazy, and also allow you to not only scale to hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, but millions of dollars per month at a very profitable rate. And the reason why this method works so well is because I use a system that guarantees winning ads using supply and demand. More on that in a moment. So this is going to be a step-by-step process that I'm going to teach you so that you can start implementing this method today. Okay, so step number 1 is to create a list of keywords related to your niche, product, and desired outcome of your audience. So as an example, we're going to use this brand called SolarWave. So some of the keywords for this brand might be red light therapy, anti-aging wand, red light mask. You need to create a list of at least 10 keywords that you think are related to your product, niche, and desired outcome. Now, step number 2 is from that list, you're going to want to select the keywords that are the most related to what you actually sell. The closer you can get to what you sell, aka your product or offer, the most likely this is to work. Now, step number 3 is you want to go to TikTok or Instagram and type these keywords. Now, one important disclaimer is this strategy only works if you use your mobile phone. You cannot use your computer for this strategy. So for the example of SolarWave, I'm just going to type the words red light therapy. Now, what you want to do is you want to click enter, and go to the Reels section. Now, once you're in the Reels section, you're going to start to see all the Reels that are already going viral on this niche. Now, step number 4 is to go and see which ones are the most viral videos. Now, why do you want to look for the most viral videos? Because these are going to be the videos that you're going to replicate for your brand, but with your own style.
You don't have to go to the hospital anymore because of this genius red light therapy. When placed in the nose for 10 minutes, this device treats persistent colds and sinusitis with a red light that dissolves mucus and provides instant relief.
Again, this ad went extremely viral, but it has nothing related to the product of SolarWave. So this is probably not something they want to replicate. So as you can see here, you're only seeing the videos that are going viral within this product. Now, there are multiple types of products in here. So what you want to do maybe is put something that is more related to the product of SolarWave. So in this case, I'm just going to put red light mask instead. And as you can see, we already have lots of videos going viral. There's already one with almost 16 million views that we can replicate and almost guarantee a winning ad. As you start to find more winners with more keywords, what you want to do is create a list of the videos that went the most viral that you can replicate for your brand. And after that, you're going to have a whole library of guaranteed winning ads that you can replicate for your brand. And the likelihood of they going viral or they becoming a winning ad that actually scales your business is way higher than if you were just creating an idea from scratch. So step number 6, make a list. Make a list of the ones that you think you can create. And at the same time, don't copy these ideas exactly. Try to get the essence of why that video went viral, extract those winning elements, and create a new version for yourself using the validated and winning elements that allowed that original video to go viral. Now, you might be wondering why exactly this works so well. The reason why this works so well is because of the concept of supply and demand. When a piece of content goes viral on the internet, it means that there is more demand for that piece of content than there is supply of that content. So if you look for the ads that are going the most viral and at the same time are within your niche and your product, and then you replicate and create a new ad with those elements, you're basically capturing all that demand that doesn't have a lot of supply. And as more people begin to create similar pieces of content, that demand starts to get supply until it reaches equilibrium, and then there's no opportunity to go viral again. Now, This is important because you need to be able to spot the ones that are going the most viral so that you're able to maximize and take advantage of that surplus in demand while there is no supply. And this is basically how me and my team create ads that are already proven to work. And when they start working, they are able to maintain millions of dollars in scalability. And this is one of the reasons why I was able to take a brand from 600K per month to over 4 million per month in just a matter of 4 months. Same thing with this other brand that hired me when they were making around 100K per month. And we've reached months of 500K per month within the same calendar year. Now, one of the most important things that I haven't really touched on is, but Miguel, how do you actually test these ads? Now, I have a whole video on how to set up your ad account so that you're maximizing every dollar you're putting in and so that that ad account can sustain this level of growth for your e-commerce brand. If you want to watch this, click the link in the description or the link somewhere in this video. That way you not only know how to create the winning ads, but also test these winning ads. Now, if you have a brand that you think has the potential to scale, but you just can't seem to find a way to do it yourself, I have two options for you. Option one, this is for the brand owners that are looking to get their brands to 1 million per month. I have a whole team that helps brands get to 1 million and even multiple millions per month with paid ads, CRO, e-commerce strategy, and basically everything that your brand needs to scale to millions per month. Now, usually these brands are already making around 100 to 300K per month. So if that sounds like you, I left a link in the description below so that you can schedule a call with me to see if we're a good fit. Now, option two, if you're looking to get your brand to 100K per month, and this is probably where the majority of you watching are gonna be, I also teach and train people on how to get to 100K per month with their e-commerce store in a profitable rate, without having to hire anyone else and not having to rely on any expensive marketing agency that doesn't work. So again, if you think your brand is in a position to scale, and let's say you're already making at least 20 to 30K per month, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so that you can schedule a call with me to get your brand to 100K per month. Having said that, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.